In this video, you will learn how to make your own beat patterns. Select Patterns Beat Maker. Each of these small grids is a 16th note. Each of the big grids is a quarter note. The whole pattern is 4 beats long. I'm going to have my kick drum play on every beat. My snare will hit on every second beat. My closed hi-hat will play 4 16th notes every beat. You can pick different sounding drums here. You can preview them. Each genre has its own drum patterns. I'm going to play around with my pattern. I'm going to loop my drum pattern for 4 measures long. Now let's add a piano loop. Create your own drum pattern. Add a piano loop to it. Share it with your teacher.